Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got an all new ride and review for you today. I'm going to meet the cake dealer at a new bar in the East Village up by St. Mark's. It's called Lions Bar. It's right on First Avenue. So it's not far. So I figured I'd take the Chimera for a rip. Got this baby out on this nice day. And the reason why I'm going here is because it looks like a pretty awesome spot for a burger. They have their Instagram just kind of started going nuts on my feed, and I was very excited because the burger looks like the Peter Luger burger. It also looks like the Red Hook Tavern burger. A thick patty, dry aged, little American cheese, some grilled onion, pickles. So I'm excited to try that. Looks great. Sometimes you can just tell by the way a burger looks that it's going to be awesome. So there's also a mortadella sandwich. Cake dealer and I are pretty big suckers for mortadella, and this sandwich looks great. Looks like it's got some Calabrian chilies on it. The menu also looks pretty cool because they're going to be doing steak nights. Like each week there's going to be, I think it's Wednesdays, they're going to be doing steak nights on Wednesdays for like $35. Your whole meal is all in. And then there's also, they're going to be doing on a monthly basis. Oh, come on. On a monthly basis, they're going to be doing something called a beefsteak. If you're not familiar with what a beefsteak is basically a giant steak meal, fancy steak meal. The traditional old way of doing it was you were supposed to dress up real nice, black tie, you know, tuxedos, suits, whatever, and eat with your hands, no utensils. Let me just make this turn here. Yeah. Actually, you know what? That might not have been the right turn, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, so beefsteaks. I don't know when they're going to start doing that, but definitely interested in that as well. For a set price, you get your drinks, you get your apps, obviously steak, sides, dessert, all of that stuff included. So I want to do it. I want to gang up with a big crew and do it. So this place is not far from here. I'm just ripping up Avenue C right now. I'm going to make the next turn on 7th because 5th did not go all the way through. I forgot about that. And St. Mark's is basically like 8th Street, so once I get over to First Avenue, I'll take a right and go up one street, and it should be right there on my right. It's a beautiful day. Man, we're going right as this place opens at 5, so hopefully we'll be beating any lines that might be forming. They've had a lot of coverage, not only on Instagram, but also on like Eater and like 1 or 2 other food news publications. So this place is gonna get popular. They are also affiliated with Madeline's Martini, which is a place I've always wanted to try. It's not far from where I live. And also the Wayland, which you've seen on my channel. 9th Street, Avenue C, great spot, great burger there too. A little bit different format, a little bit smaller, more like a bar burger, like a smash patty, not quite smash patty, a little double. So I really like that one. But we'll see how this one compares. The dry aged blend is really going to set it off if it's good, if it's tasty. Take this right here, a little bit of traffic. And right here is St. Mark's, and here's the joint. I see it. All right, let me pull right up. The Lions, there it is. And I'll see you on the inside. nicer looking.
Watch it be a bad boy.
Ooh, cheese. Ooh, that's a lot of fries for $4, right?
There you go.
Wow, look at that.
These were the best hosts in the
All right, the Lions, man, that was pretty incredible. So as predicted, it did get really packed. After like 30 minutes, the whole place was slammed. We started off with some cocktails. I just did a martini. My wife did a Gold Rush, both very nicely made. And then we had some starters. First one was a baked potato. The Lions baked potato comes with like an egg yolk on it and sour cream. Really, really decadent. Probably the best baked potato that I've ever had. That yolk is a game changer. I never like thought of that before, but it really set that thing off into the realm of next level baked potato. We also did the fried mozzarella, those little triangles. Man, awesome stretchy cheese, perfectly cooked to a perfect temperature, like it didn't clump up. We sat on them for a while. They were still stretchy after a few minutes. Nicely seasoned, great texture, good crunch. And then the burger and the mortadella sandwich. So the burger was exactly as I expected. Absolutely incredible, on par with the best steakhouses in the city. For $18, you can't really beat it, because those other steakhouse burgers that this compares to are gonna be like in the high 20s to low 30s range for pretty much the same burger, which is nuts if you think about it. So kudos to them for keeping the price down. I hope that that stays the case. I know a lot of these places, they start off when they open, they're a little bit more budget friendly for people, but then once the bills start to hit and the overhead cranks, they have to raise the prices. This guy's gonna go slow the whole time. Jackass. Mortadella sandwich, excellent. A little bit salty, I would say. And that's really because of the Calabrian chili spread that's on there. Kind of like a tapenade, but a lot of great flavor, a good amount of high quality mortadella with the pistachios in it. Also really comes on a bed of chips, which is cool, so you don't have to order fries or anything. And your burger, if you want, you can upgrade. For $4 more, you get the fries. We had a full order. It looks like they charged us the $8 for the full order of fries, which is huge. But I didn't mind. They were really good. Great crispy texture, nicely seasoned. But back to the mortadella sandwich. I did not think that the blue cheese on it was going to be a good pairing. However, the blue cheese was more like a spread than like crumbled cheese or like a saucy kind of like dressing. So it worked. It was really great. I think they should put that sandwich on the sesame seed burger bun. I think it would be a better fit. It would feel more like a muffaletta sandwich from Central Grocery down in New Orleans. They're popular for that. I think that would be the way to go. It's still a great sandwich, but the toasted white bread is a little bit, doesn't quite match for Italian meat sandwich like that. So overall, really excited about this place. Can't wait to go back. We did not have room for dessert. But yeah, give this place a shot. Jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review, the full write-up, all the pictures, all the details, everything. And, you know, as usual, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma to not drive like this asshole.